The AcuTEMS series is available in multiple mounting configurations, including duct mount, room mount, immersion, wall plate, and outside air models. The AcuTEMS IM immersion temperature sensors provide accurate liquid temperature measurement in HVAC hydronic systems. It is available in multiple probe lengths with industry-standard RTD, thermistor, and transmitter output options. 3-wire terminals support 2- or 3-wire resistance temperature outputs. The sensor features a standardized IP65 enclosure for superior moisture and dust protection. A 304 stainless steel thermowell with a 1/2-inch NPT connection and set screw secures the probe. Pre-applied thermal paste improves thermal conductivity for accurate, fast, and stable temperature readings. Quick-release self-capturing cover screws allow easy wiring access, while push-button terminal blocks enable fast and simple connections. AcuTEMS IM can be used to monitor temperature in chilled water lines, boiler piping, storage tanks, and liquid in process lines.